Welcome to another episode of Optical Illusions Explained. First off, let me start by teaching you on how to read this magical sentence. It's best if you have your cell phone set on horizontal mode like this, because if it's on vertical mode, you will not be able to appreciate it that much. So set it on horizontal mode like this. And then, you need to tilt your phone all the way back like this. You close one eye, either the left or the right, and you peek from the bottom like this. And that is how you will be able to read the magical sentence. Okay, did you get that, folks? So let's give it a try. I'll give you a few seconds before I give you the final answer. The sentence reads, "You're doing great and I'm glad you exist." Did you get that, folks? Do you want to try it again? Okay. We'll now proceed to the next magical sentence. You can always replay this if you still haven't gotten the technique. This one is a little challenging. Let's see if you can get this one. It reads, Lufthansa is Europe's biggest airline. Oh, but I'm sure you got that one. Let's try another one. This is a bit longer, so let's see if you really got the technique already. It reads, I'm Stan from Dog with a Blog and you're watching Disney Channel. Again, I'm sure you got that with no problem at all. The next picture shows a photo of a cat walking downstairs. Wait a minute, is he walking downstairs or is he going upstairs? Take a closer look. Upstairs or downstairs? This next picture shows a man with a walking stick, and a woman carrying a child, and a dog sleeping on the road, and some dust blowing outside the door. There's also some light shining on the pavement. Yet somehow it forms an illusion of a man looking to the left with his hand over his chest. This next illusion shows a silhouette of a vase or a chalice cup. But it can also be mistaken as the silhouette of two people who are about to kiss, one on the left and one on the right. This illustration can be interpreted in two ways. The first is that of an ugly old woman looking to the left. It becomes more apparent as I covered the face of the young woman with the black shade. Let me now cover the face of the old woman so you can see the young woman looking to the right. It is one and the same picture, but it depends on how you look at it. This next picture is no more than several houses clustered together, a couple of trees, and some cloud formations. Yet somehow it forms an illusion of a face of a man looking to the left. This next picture shows a soldier riding a horse, a merchant holding a stick, another soldier sitting by the ice, and another soldier standing beside the horse. Yet somehow all of them put together gives an illusion of a face of a man looking to the right. This next picture shows a picture of a girl sitting on a chair reading a book placed on her lap. There is a table in front of her with an apple and some drinks and more books. Yet all of them taken together projects an image of a face of a man looking directly at you. This next picture depicts two different animals. The larger animal is a black cat looking directly at you. The smaller animal depicts a picture of a small rat staring out of the darkness. This next illustration depicts an impossible shape. Each side connected to the other looks great, but looking at the overall picture, it is really impossible. Here is another version of the impossible shape. Here is a picture of an impossible structure. Follow the direction of the arrow to see that you are eternally going up or eternally going down depending on which direction you are going. This is another example of an impossible structure. How can something on top go up but end up below what is on top? Here is another impossible structure. Just follow the stairs and you will see that it is eternally going up or eternally going down depending on which direction you are taking. This is another impossible structure. How could you be going 2 flights up or 2 flights down yet end up on the same floor level? Try to figure this out if you can. How many beams can you see? Are there 3 beams or 4 beams? Now this one is really mind-boggling. Take a look at this in particular. On this side, it depicts that it is going upstairs. Yet on this part, it depicts that it is going downstairs. From afar, it looks like a trident. But try tracing the trident itself. Is it really a trident or not? And that concludes another fun episode of Optical Illusions. Don't forget the like and subscribe button.